demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new countertop dry display cases. Okay, this is a brand new style. Okay, as you can see, this is a curved glass display on the front. We have glass on both sides. We also have glass on the opening doors on the back. Okay, we'll go ahead and show you that in a bit. But before that, I want to go ahead and measure this dry display for you. Starting with the exterior measurements, I'll also measure the inside for you. So starting with the length, you're looking at a total of 27 inches, 27. Okay, from front to back, you're looking at a total of 18 inches. And the overall height for this unit, you're looking at 20.5 inches high. Okay, so those are your measurements for this display case. Also, on the side of this unit, we have a sticker with more information regarding all the specs as well as certification. This unit is certified by the health department, so you can locate certification on the side. Okay, following the back here. On the back, we can locate our plug. It is a standard US plug, 110 volt. This is for the LED lighting on the inside. Okay, so the unit does have lighting on the inside, and this is what the plug is simply for. You also have a switch for that lighting. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open up these sections. As you can see, it has two doors, two sections. Okay, so we'll open up both, and as you can see, you can open these doors up and leave them open just like that. Or if you just want to have one closed and the other one open, or whatever you want to do, you can go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure the inside for you. Front to back, total will be 15 inches. Left to right, you're looking at a total of about 26 inches of the length. And the inside height will be a total of 7.5 inches. 7.5. Okay, so those are your inside measurements for this unit. Just so you know, the inside measurements for the bottom, 16 inches. Okay, so front to back, bottom shelf is a little bit more space. Okay, it has more space. It will be bigger on the bottom. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on this dry display case. Now, if you're interested in one of these items, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.